Welcome to Inside the Issues. I'm Armit Singh. The Trump transition team's flow of head-turning nominations is on a roll. Today, President-elect Donald Trump said he would nominate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. to lead the Department of Health and Human Services. On the campaign trail, Trump promised to let his one-time rival, quote, run wild on health. That's something Kennedy's critics say would be dangerous to Americans. Kennedy has claimed that vaccines cause autism. The CDC says that claim is false. Kennedy's also repeated claims that Americans are being poisoned by seed oils used in cooking. The Harvard School of Public Health says there is no scientific evidence to support that claim. And Kennedy supports removing fluoride from public water systems where it's been used to fight tooth decay since the 1940s. His critics point out Kennedy has no medical or public health degree. As Evan Kosloff's about to show us, Kennedy fits an emerging pattern of contentious nominee choices from the Trump transition.
President-elect Donald Trump's selection of Robert F. Kennedy Jr. to lead the sprawling Department of Health and Human Services quickly drew criticism from Democrats. House Democratic leader Hakeem Jeffries calling Kennedy, quote, completely and totally unqualified. Kennedy is the son of assassinated Senator Robert F. Kennedy and the nephew of slain President John F. Kennedy. He had a high profile as an environmental lawyer in New York before becoming a fierce skeptic of some vaccines, most especially with his false claims that some vaccines cause autism.
Democratic and Republican administrations have taken turns assaulting our constitutional rights.
In this past election, he ran for president first as a Democrat before running as an independent. He then dropped out and threw his support behind Trump. The president-elect announcing this nomination of Kennedy on social media on Thursday, writing that the department under Kennedy would, quote, play a big role in helping ensure that everybody will be protected from harmful chemicals, pollutants, pesticides, pharmaceutical products, and food additives that have contributed to the overwhelming health crisis in this country. RFK responding on social media Thursday night, writing in part, we have a generational opportunity to bring together the greatest minds in science, medicine, industry, and government to put an end to the chronic disease epidemic.
I have great concerns.
On Capitol Hill, many Democrats voiced their opposition to RFK, while some Republicans applauded the move.
We need serious folks with a serious background and serious expertise. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is, of course, none of the above.
I knew he was considering them, and I think he brings a lot to the table.
Now, HHS is a massive agency that oversees drug, vaccine, and food safety, as well as social safety net programs like Medicare and Medicaid. In Washington, I'm Evan Kosloff, Spectrum News.
Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage, and click the subscribe button right here. You can also download our app or watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.